Dear students, this is Sister Sheila. Now we are going to learn exercise 3.1, question number 1. If the sides of a cubic box are increased by 1, 2 and 3 units respectively to form a cuboid, then the volume is increased by 52 cubic units. Find the volume of cuboid. The solution: here is a cubic box with a length A unit, width A unit and the height A unit. Because we know in cubic all the sides will be equal in length. Now to find out the volume of cube is equal to, the formula is length into breadth into height. Now we are taking the volume of cube as a V1. V1 is equal to A into A, that is V1 is equal to A cube. Now as they have mentioned here, this cubic box is extended to cuboid. Now this is a cuboid. This length is increased by 1 unit, width is increased by 2 units and the height is increased by 3 units. Now to find out the volume of cuboid, we are taking this volume as a V2, that is equal to length into breadth into height. Now V2 is equal to, the length is A plus 1 unit, width is A plus 2 unit and the height is A plus 3 units. Now if we multiply, A into A is a square plus A into 2 is a 2A plus 1 into A is a plus 1 into 2 is a 2 into A plus 3. Again we are going to multiply these two factors. If we multiply, A square into A will become A cube plus A square into 3 is a 3A square plus 2A into A is a 2A square plus 2A into 3 is a 6A plus A into A is a square plus A into 3 is a 3A plus 2 into A is a 2A plus 2 into 3 is 6. Now if we simplify, we are getting V2 is equal to A cube plus 6A square plus 11A plus 6. Given that the volume of cubic box is increased by 52 cubic units, that means the difference of both the volumes must be equal to 52. So V2 minus V1 is equal to 52. Now V2 we found out already, just we can write here. The V2 is A cube plus 6A square plus 11A plus 6 minus, and V1 is the A cube, that is equal to 52. Now this plus A cube minus A cube both will be cancelled. The remainder will be 6A square plus 11A plus 6. This 52 when it comes this side, it will become minus 52 is equal to 0. Now if you subtract this one, we are getting the quadratic equation 6A square plus 11A minus 46 equal to 0. Now we are trying to find out the factors of this quadratic equation. Here the product is 6 into minus 46, that is equal to minus 276. For this minus 276, if you multiply 23 into minus 12, we will get minus 276. Here in this equation, the sum is 11. If we add this 23 and minus 12, we will get 11. Now we can write these numbers what we have found out. 6A square plus 23A minus 12A minus 46 equal to 0. Now for these two terms, A is a common. If we take it out, A as a common, the remaining will be 6A plus 23. If for these two terms, minus 2 is a common, if you take it out, the remaining will be 6A plus 23 is equal to 0. Now if we compare these two terms, 6A plus 23 is a common, if you take it out, the remaining will be A minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we are going to equal these factors with 0. 6a plus 23 is equal to 0. 6a is equal to minus 23. A is equal to minus 23 by 6, which is not possible because the measurements cannot be in negative value. Now another factor is a minus 2, that is equal to 0. From here we are getting a is equal to 2. Now we are, by using this a value, we are trying to find out the volume of cuboid, that is V2 is equal to a plus 1 into a plus 2 into a plus 3. The value of a is 2, 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 3, that is equal to 3 into 4 into 6, that is equal to 60 cubic units.